Welcome to a sneak peek video for OrCAD X, where we're going to take a look at a brand new feature coming to the Presto layout tool in 24.1, and also one other feature from 23.1, which we've made much more user-friendly in this release. First feature we're going to look at is the new Cut Traces command, found in the same command group as Slide. Cut Traces feature, or commonly referred to as Scalpel Cut tool, allows a designer to surgically slice through a line segment or group of line segments and retain net connectivity when applicable. The only option available for this command is the cut width, which defines the width of the selection, which will be cut away. To run the command, simply click the starting and end points of a cut line, and the traces will be separated. A common use case for this feature includes slicing out a section of a circuit for modification without altering the rest of your design. The second feature we'll be previewing is the ability to split via stacks while using the slide command. While this has been available in the 23.1 release, with customizable right mouse button menus, it is much more user-friendly. To enable, go to the Edit, Preferences menu, select Shortcuts, then go to the Commands tab and enable Split Stack in the right mouse button menu for the slide command. What this allows us to do is in cases where a designer may want to split a set of stacked micro and core vias, you can now right-click and use a very intuitive UI pop-up to select the appropriate via for splitting away from the stack. You can then also easily view the change in the 3D canvas. That's all for this sneak peek into our 24.1 release. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please leave us a comment and be sure to check out our other videos previewing the next release. Thanks for watching!